Hey guys, it's Jira bro back with another video. Today what we're gonna be doing is migrating between the company managed, so it's from company managed to a team managed project. Now I have created a sample company managed project and also a team managed project, which is this one. Now the direct migration, like you have migration for cloud to cloud, from server to cloud, it doesn't exist. Rather, what we'll be doing is we're gonna be selecting all of the issues from the company managed project. We're gonna bulk move those issues to team managed projects, to team managed project, and based on that we will have our company managed project migrated to a team managed project. But there are limitations for this when you're migrating between the company managed to a team managed project. Here, first of all, as you already know, company managed and team managed projects are really different. Anyone can create a team managed project if there is a global permission of create team managed project, and that is public, that basically anyone can actually create a team managed project on your Jira instance. But when it comes to company managed projects, only Jira admins are able to do this. There are other differences between the company managed and team managed, but that is not in scope of today's video, so we're not going to be covering that. So the first limitation is with components. So first of all, they are unique for every project in Jira. Now, if you migrate issues with completed component field information, you will lose this data. All right, memorize this. This data will be lost. The data is not recoverable, even if you bulk move these issues back to company managed projects where they actually came from. Now you have for custom fields to migrate, you need to recreate your custom fields in your new team managed project. Team managed project fields are dependent of global custom fields. When you move a request to a team managed project, Jira retains most of your requests' global custom field values, except the component and version fields. However, these are not mapped to your team managed project's fields. Alright, so this is actually really important to have in mind. So what actually says in here, your global custom field data is stored against your requests, but the fields in your company managed project are technically different from the fields in your team managed destination. So, and this is also important, so when migrated, they will appear blank. You can, however, recover this data if you move the issues back to the company managed project where they actually came from. And there are other limitations like project and request keys, resolution field, email request types and issue types, and filters. And of course, there are limitations when you're doing the migration from team managed to a company managed project. In this particular video, we will be focused on migrating from company managed to team managed project. In the separated video, we will do the migration from team managed to a company managed project. So we're gonna be focusing on these limitations right here. Alright, so let's get to the practical stuff. So you want to go to your issue navigator when you go to view all issues. You also want to have the it's recommended to have the basic search. It's much more easier, unless of course you're really skilled with JQL. Anyways, so I have selected my project right here, which is going to be the company managed project. And I'm going to click here. I'm going to say bulk change all 5 issues. One more thing to keep in mind. In order to do some bulk changes, users need to have the make bulk changes global permission. So where it says modify collections of issues at once, for example, resolve multiple issues in one step, and by default you will have this that is going to be available for org admins if you have service management there as well, Jira users, Jira admins, so all of them can actually do the bulk changes. So now we are represented with this wizard right here. So it has 4 steps. So I'm going to click on next. I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to say move issues. Alright, so now what do we have? This will change and affect 5 issues of issue type task. Alright. Apply this mapping for all your other issue types. I'm going to skip that. Update fields. Alright, so let me just see something in here real quick. Okay. Aha, so as you can see, it would be like I wouldn't do any of the changes. So move. So this is the project you're moving from, and this is the issue type you're actually moving to. Okay, so it's gonna be the team managed project, and it's going to stay on task. And I'm gonna click on next. Now, there are some of the statuses that will also be changed, like the statuses from your workflow, where you have in progress, selected for development, done, and backlog. So for in progress, we're gonna select this to be the in progress, because in team managed project you have to do in progress, done. In here it's backlog, selected for development, in progress, and done. So for selected for development, it's going to be the to do, done is going to be done, and this is how we are actually going to have it. Also, here it says component or version field data is permanently lost if you move issues between projects. Alright, so it even says, even in Jira, it's giving you a warning. So I'm gonna click on next. Alright, so it says below is the summary of all issues that will be moved. Okay, great. Now what we have is we have everything in here, the summary. I'm gonna click on confirm, and it says migrating 5 issues. Okay, great. So now it's done. And now if we actually check this out, there we go. Everything is actually moved. Now, of course, for this project, you can do whatever you want. My suggestion would be to actually archive it. You never know if you're going to go back from the team managed to a company managed project again, but then again there are limitations as well. So that will be done in the next video. For this video, that is it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.